XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the notification. Below the video, you'll find some links here. Say join free Telegram channel. So go and join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the broker snap profile right here and sign up with these brokers. Open a separate account because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account for accuracy for the data. Okay. Subscribe, like, check out all this. This is all for you. It's your homework. Coming back to the chart, starting top-down approach for gold, starting with the weekly. Weekly, I think this was the new high pullback. Next week, we're going to go up, okay? I think that's what's going to happen. So in daily, what do we have? In daily, we have rejections. As you can see, rejection. So the price is not able to hold at the bottom. So, buyers came into the market and pushed the price up. So this was doji. This was the doji candle, but this is like a hammer. Hammer as in, more buyers came into the market, less sellers, okay? So the sellers could not push the price down because the buyers came in. Buyers said, fuck off, and we're going to take the price up, okay? So, yeah, you can see this was the uptrend pullback, and then we should go long on Monday, okay? Monday onwards, I think what's going to happen is gold will open at the higher price on Monday by default. For example, right now it's 3368. I'm expecting gold to open above 3368. I could be wrong, who knows, but I'm expecting that, okay? Anyway, so in daily, we still don't have a blue candle, okay? In daily, we still don't have a blue candle, so we might carry on going down, okay? We still don't have the confirmation blue candle so that I can, blindly tell you that enter long, okay? So in daily, we don't have entry signal, so let's go back to 4 hour for that. In 4 hour, we do have something, what? Okay. In 4 hour, we have a complicated situation for you people, maybe, or not for me, but it's a rejection from the EMA. Okay. So people normally are looking for longs in gold because they know gold is always trending in the upward directions. People are not even looking for shorts. So if you're looking for longs, only look for longs after this high is broken and the candle is closed above the EMA. It has rejected the EMA. This blue candle, last blue candle has rejected the EMA. So this can be the continuation of the downtrend. Okay. So because it was a Friday, so Friday this candle don't really make sense. But you have to consider two situations in gold. Only enter long after this previous high is broken, this one here, and the candle has closed above the EMA. Then wait for the pullback and then enter long after the blue confirmation candle. Otherwise, this merely could be the continuation of the uptrend. So this blue candle, could be the pullback of this downtrend, pullback, and then continue down, okay? So if it's going to go down, I don't think, people are taking shorts in gold unless you're a scalper, okay? So your long entry should be after the break of this candle in 4 hour, above the EMA, then pull back and then go long, okay? If you do 5 minutes, 15 minutes trading, I can't help you guys with that. But if you know your numbers, if you're good with your lot size in gold, then you know your numbers and take profit of that, then this is your entry long. Break above the EMA, pull back, and then enter long. That's all I have for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram and all that. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.